Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. We have once again broken up the Polish series to give you an update on the house. Well, actually, if you've seen the last video, but one, we moved in. Theodora left me alone to just sort out the whole house, basically.
That's not true. I actually helped a
someone said in the comment, I can't believe Theodora left him on its own.
Yeah, but did I leave you on your own?
You did. Anyway, we're breaking up the Poland series to bring you a full house tour. So if you're new to the channel and you don't know who we are, I'm Graham, this is Theodora, my wife. No, we're not married, but it sounded good.
Have been together over 14 and a half years, and
the Christmas spirit is high right now. We put up our Christmas tree. We've got a wreath on the door. Outside looks even better, especially in the dark. But we're gonna have to wait for the outside tour because it's currently raining and it's gonna be like this for the next few weeks. So we have to film this video now.
Yeah, exactly.
Otherwise it's too late.
Yep.
So we weren't gonna be living here or staying here for a while because obviously we're travelers and that's what we do for YouTube.
Yes.
However, something called COVID-19 happened and put our plans a little bit off track. And here was gonna be 2 Airbnbs just to rent out with Theodora's family. And we've helped design it and like do all the interior and stuff, and yeah, it's been successful. And now because of COVID, we're actually staying in this side, so we've got a bit of a temporary base,
yeah,
which
temporary
is nice,
base.
especially for Christmas.
Yeah. If you have watched a couple of videos back, then you've seen this in the raw. We showed you when there was nothing tiled or done or anything. So that would have been cool to look back. I'll link that up here to check it out.
I'll put a few shots in, babe. Put a few shots.
Well, this is the finished result. We're basically there. Babe, should we get going with the tour?
Yeah,
because our friends are coming.
Yeah, our friends are coming in about 2 hours time.
Yes.
However, if you'd seen our video from 2019, the summer, we went and hired a camper van.
Yep.
And we went to the Champagne region of France, and we went on a tour with Sparkling Tours, and they just sent us, because they saw that we entered our new place, a package full of champagne. And basically, because obviously of COVID-19, they've come up with quite a cool way of obviously people can't come and do tours of them.
Yeah,
so they're bringing
really cool.
the sparkling experience tour to you in your house. So they've sent us a package with 6 bottles. Basically they can send anywhere in the world, which is ideal. Ooh.
Let's have a look. Oh,
look at this. Sparkling tour, your champagne bottles have finally arrived. There is basically a link to their website, and you've got different videos for each bottle of champagne.
Yeah,
so
it's an actual at-home champagne tasting like we had in Champagne.
Yeah, literally.
So you can figure out like what you like. You learn so much. Like I remember us, babe, I'm just seeing it here. I remember saying 38% Pinot Noir, 31% Chardonnay, 31% Pinot Noir. Like
Pinot Noir. Are you speaking French, babe?
No,
You're speaking a bit of French.
You can figure out what you love, what you don't like so much, like, and all your friends can too. So it's a great way to host like a little party.
You can get a little wine stopper.
That's awesome.
That's cool.
Well, welcome to our humble abode. Here we have the kitchen, and what is cool about the kitchen is that it's actually secondhand. We actually have quite a sexy, expensive kitchen for the price of not much.
How much, babe? Go on, tell them.
300 euros.
Oh my, go to jail.
Like, look, we got a freaking Gag and How freaking built-in thing.
This is really expensive.
Really expensive appliances. We've got pan drawers, things I've always dreamed about. A cleaning cupboard.
Yeah, but do you want to tell the story of what happened?
Okay, oh my gosh. So if you're seeing, we have a wooden floor right here. Now this is looking real nice and dandy, and Graham has treated it with boiled linseed oil. Yeah, so Graham has been scrubbing, putting all this oil in, and then we want to do the other side as well because that hasn't been treated yet. So we've put it in a cleaning cupboard, the rag and everything, and then cracked on with the rest of the house. I woke up, I was like, Graham, do you smell this smell? Like this floor, I can really smell it. And he's like, yeah, I woke him up. Anyway, then I was like, no, babe, we gotta investigate this smell. There's something wrong, it's not feeling right. So Graham was like, well, okay, I'll check on the oil. He opens the cupboard, It's freaking on fire. Well, not quite fire yet, but it's been brewing, like smoking. It melted all the like caddies that we had underneath the cupboard. Then we chucked it outside. Next thing you know, we're like trying to get rid of all the smoke, all this like everything that's happening. It goes on fire, the whole thing, the whole rag. So we check the bottle in like miniature little label is on top saying, oh, careful with the rag, it could be flammable.
So we almost burned the house down.
Yeah, we almost burned the house down in the first week of being here. But luckily we weren't, and I feel like we have my nose to thank for that.
Welcome to the living room. The gem about this, we've got underfloor heating, and when you lift up the rug that we have, oh, they're walking into a sauna. It's so warm. I have sat here quite a few times naked, so if any of my friends or family are coming around and want to sit here, then you've got my bum print on the floor. If you've seen the last video, we put up our beautiful tree, which we're very proud of. How's she doing up there? She's beautiful. Lots of light coming in, which is good for vlogging because natural light is good, but when you're putting the camera towards the light, then it
like
gets...
we are now.
Is it really light?
No, I mean, the windows are light, but you're not light. That's the problem.
Yeah, that's the issue.
You need to have the light on your face.
It's a pretty muggy day, misty. So we're going to show you outside, but it doesn't look as good as it does when the sun is shining. The patio, guys. We weren't initially going to be doing such a big patio, but it's actually turned out epic. Theodora's not going to come outside because it's kind of raining, so I'm going to grab the camera. So basically we've got outside lights. Obviously we've got the Christmas lights up at the moment, so we don't put the outside lights on at the moment, the normal outside lights. Disco, disco, oh, disco, disco. We've even got a washing rack, which is awesome. Got an outdoor table set, which is quite cool. And then when it doesn't rain, we can put lights on this pole, make it nice and cozy. And we've got the old rain shower going on there.
Oh, can I give you a quick tip?
Mirror.
Quick tip. If you can get a hold of eucalyptus branches, hang them in your shower like that. Oh, and then when the rain falls on the eucalyptus, you'll have like the most amazing shower experience. So that's a little tip right there. Okay.
Hang on, but you forget one thing.
What? The fridge?
People want to know what's in the fridge.
Really?
Currently in the fridge, we have Lipton iced tea. We've got 18-month-old cheddar. We've got a melon. We've got chives. What's it? We've got yogurt. We've got apple cake. Obviously, with apple cake, you need whipped cream.
Yeah. We got mayo. Always have mayonnaise because I'm Dutch.
We've got mint.
Yeah. Minty, I like to make.
We've got broccoli.
We got spinach. Avocados.
Am I just copying everything you say?
Yeah. Upstairs. Obviously our boiler lives under here and we've, stuffed it with some other things. Then this is our bedroom. Like I said, we need a bit more spice interior-wise, but we have got world's best rug.
Oh, it's so nice.
It's so nice. So we just had to have it. We got that in the Black Friday sale. And I don't know how tidy my cupboards are right now, but yeah, I've got loads of room, loads still. And then we have these as well. Got some yoga mats up here. And then we have, oh, the presents. Can't look at those.
All the Christmas presents.
Yeah, this is it. We got a bed with extra drawers.
And it's a 180 wide, babe. It's pretty.
No, 160 actually.
160.
But usually we're used to really small beds, and we sleep on each other. I know it's very cute, but this is literally what we do. But in here, I can't even find him. I don't know where he is at night. Right, babe, you know this angle.
Oh, the view.
The view, the lights, the reef.
Oh, we've got the Christmas lights going on, Christmas lights outside, the view. Babe, we need to get the chicken prepared because our friends are coming. So this morning, guys, I went to the butcher's and got myself a farmer's chicken. And the butcher suggested to put a really kind of like spicy sauce on top, and this is called sambal, which is pretty spicy. Then you need to do a little bit of lemon and orange inside the chicken. And finally a little bit of salt and pepper to finish it off. Beautiful.
Wouldn't be right to not show you Graham's pride and joy. Ta-da!
Beautiful. Obviously, being a British man, we love a bit of Christmas, so it wouldn't be right not to have lots of Christmas decorations. Can you see the lights?
Yeah. Are you going to leave them on for our friends?
Yeah, of course.
Well, can you see them even?
Just about.
And we shut the gate then so they can really see them. All right.
So behind the house is the old stable where we used to have lots of goats and stuff. However, now it's just a building place, so it's a bit of a mess, but it doesn't matter. This will be the third time that I've used the smoker. Every time that I plan to do a smoke, it rains and there's a storm and it's just a nightmare to keep a constant temperature. However, today, this is the first time I'm going to do it inside, which I think is pretty safe because it's quite concealed and there's no flammable material around. Well, look at this bad boy. So we've got this second hand.
She's a cutie.
Look at her. I think the guy used it once and we got it for...
I think 75 or something?
Yeah, 75. So this is your main compartment. This is where we're going to put the chicken on. Under here we're going to put a tray filled with water. Sometimes you can do apple juice or stuff like that to really get some flavour going. And then this is, what do they call it? The burn box.
Oh.
So here is going to be the coals. And then on the side you've got the old wind, letting the air in, letting the wind in, airflow. I've done that way too tight. So our idea for the winter, obviously, yeah, these cold and wet and lonely nights, we thought we'd become barbecuers. And now that we're eating meat, we're absolutely loving it.
Have you got enough coal, do you think?
Yeah, I got a few bags of coal, just enough to get us through the weekend.
And what are these?
And when you're smoking, the key is to get some different types of wood and chuck them on. I think every 20 minutes you've got to chuck on like a handful of these. So that is going to be epic. Got plenty of coal.
On the way to being free.
All right, guys, we are going to watch the. We're all sat down. The barbecue is going, looking good, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're at about 130 degrees and about 45 degrees for the chickens. We've got about another hour and a half, so plenty of time to watch the videos, have some champagne, and have some fun. Yes. All right, let's go.
Okay. The whole day.
Oh, look at that. It's well juicy.
Oh my god, babe, look at that.
Right?
Oh. Hij ziet er lekker uit hoor.
Yeah.
Okay, the chicken is a success. The champagne guys were saying to combine this particular bottle with white meat, so we're eating our white meat.
So
Guys,
you're not complaining that I bought the chicken and smoked it?
no, actually everything went perfect. I think, are you enjoying it?
Really perfect.
Good chicken?
Yes, and the first one I did it without sausage. So it was really tasty.
Sausage?
Sauce.
Sauce.
Sorry.
Shien's English is perfect. This is a sausage.
Sausage is a worstje.
Jesse, you happy?
It was really nice. Also the whole experience, you know, the really nice champagne with the description, so you know what you actually are drinking. So it was really, really good.
Boom.
Thank you.
See ya.
Cheers, guys.
And as always, guys, a free and simple way to support the channel is just to press subscribe. And if you're in the Christmas spirit, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video where we continue our series in Poland. And there will be another Christmas special video coming up on Christmas Day evening, hopefully. Right?
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Woo! Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you to our patrons for making this possible. Guys, if you ever get a chance to go to Reims in France, the Champagne region, I highly recommend going on one of these tours, especially with sparkling wine tours. They offer a really good day out and it's highly recommended. See you next time.